How's it going, everybody? DOHC here at Das Trucks. We got another walk around video. If you like what you're watching, make sure you drop us a like. If you want to stay up to date on our inventory, the best way to do that is to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the bell notifications, because we post walk around videos for every single one of our trucks right here on our YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe. That's the best way to stay up to date. We're thinking about starting a little newsletter or something like that. Y'all let us know if y'all are interested in that. But it's a 2020 Nissan NV200 cargo minivan, 62,766 miles. It's been fully reconned, and what we mean when we say that, for those who are new, is that we go through the suspension, engine, braking, suspension components. We make sure that everything is working to a crisp, including everything else that needed to be initially addressed with this vehicle. Now, I would describe this cute little van as the perfect van for someone who needs the features and the amenities that it has, because it definitely has a few really nice things. As you can see already, it's got that roof rack, and it's a dual roof rack. You can carry two of them, which is really cool. But it's got some cool stuff on the inside too, which we'll check out right now. And it does have a small engine, but that doesn't mean this thing can't pack some power. Of course, you can't tow a camper in it, I don't think, but it'll have more than enough. Now, you do have a cargo rack and bins. We'll go ahead and check that out here in just a little bit. This thing's GVWR is going to be 4,773. A really weird number for a GVWR, but great vehicle nonetheless. It does have a backup camera. Sneaky right down there. Really kind of hard to see, but it gives a great view, that's for sure. So, checking out the back side here. Now, you wouldn't be able to stand here unless you were 4 foot something. So the length is going to be 6 feet and the height is going to be 5 feet. All that information I'll leave in the description below, so check that out, as well as our website where you can check out the full listing. But here are your cargo bins and the rack. So that is Adrian steel, the brand for that rack and bins, and then also on that ladder rack, it's going to be Adrian steel as well. It's a cute little thing. We actually just had a customer come take a look at this one before it was even listed, and you know, I suggested that you should paint it pink if y'all ever get it. Wrap it in a nice pink and hot pink. Hot pink would look great on this thing. So you also do have this bulkhead here. Removable, of course, if you needed. And that rack is also removable. If you needed us to remove it, that's perfectly fine. We definitely can. But just so you know, those are removable depending on what your needs are. But yeah, this would be the perfect van for the perfect, not the perfect, but the right person. Let's go ahead and check out that interior. So here we are. The interior is in really great condition. Like I mentioned, you do have a few features as well on the technology side, which we'll go ahead and check out right now. Let me start her up so you guys can hear what that sounds like. Starts right up, no problems. No lights on the dashboard. Standard procedure, 62,766 miles. So you do have your normal radio station, which is cool. Oh yeah, man. So you also have Bluetooth phone connection as well, which is really cool. It's a 2020, so I mean, I'd expect that to have that, right? Now you got the hands-free phone controls as well. Volume buttons. You do have cruise control controlled right over here. Here's your on and off. You also have the power windows, power locks as well. And that would really be about it for the interior. Let me get you guys a better view of what's going on here. Maybe, here we are. Just so you guys can see a little bit better. Get a better view. really solid condition. All right, well, let's go ahead and check out that engine. So you've got a 2.0 inline 4 DOHC 16 valve engine. This is coupled with a automatic CVT transmission. All the filters and fluids have been changed if deemed necessary. This thing is running amazingly, sounds great as well. Let's get you guys a good listen. All right, so that will wrap it up for your 2020 Nissan NV200 S edition. I forgot to mention that in the beginning. It's not an SV, it's an S. It's just the trim model. But if you guys would like to find out some more information about this vehicle, again, head over to the description of this video. You'll see a short information snippet that I will put down in there for this vehicle, and then I'll also have our website down in that description. If you want to see the full listing, check out warranty information, all that good stuff, all the high quality photos, 20 plus photos is going to be on this one. Make sure you go ahead and check out the full listing on our website. Again, the link is going to be in the description below. I'll leave our phone number. Feel free to text us, call us. We answer after hours all the time too. Our sales team is just that awesome. So if you have any questions about financing, if you'd like to see different pictures or videos, anything like that, or if you just want some help navigating the world, man, you know, we all do. So go ahead and give us a call. We're the professionals in this industry. We can help you out with anything that you might need there. But I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you all very much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. That would help us out a lot. And we'll see y'all in the next one. Take care, y'all.